In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a sales order into a sales invoice in Odoo. So we have the transaction of 19th of January which says send all items to Mr. Albert against previous sales order. So the order number is 25 and we want to convert the sales order to a sales invoice fully because it says send all items. So first of all, we need to locate the sales order and that can be found in the sales module right here on the top right. And once we click here, we have this order of Mr. Albert. Let's open this up. And as we can see, if we scroll a little bit up, this is the sales order that we booked earlier. The total is 9170. So it exactly matches this one. Now, if you want to directly create an invoice, just open this up and click on create invoice. What do you want to create? Do you want to create a regular invoice or do you want to adjust any kind of down payment here? So we need to check if we have received any advance as well. So we have received this 5,000 as advance. So what we need to do is we need to adjust that as well. Let's say that if we create a regular invoice, what will happen? Because it already says that 5,000 is already invoiced as a down payment invoice. So let's create this draft, create invoice. And as we can see, not only it has created the invoice, but it has also adjusted the down payment of 5,000. So the net total is 4170. If you want to check the journal entry effect, just click on this journal items right here and you will see how perfectly it handled all the operations. Before, the customer advances was booked as a liability, but now the customer advance is adjusted against invoice. So it's debit and account receivable is debit. That means we have to receive this remaining amount. And these are all the product sales that we want to sell. Now, one thing more guys, first of all, just change the date. This transaction date is 19th of January and the due date of the delivery is, let's say, after 15 days or payment terms is 15 days and journal is set to sales. But before entering this, I want to move back to quotations, orders to invoice. I will just go to this section and click on here. Okay, it's not found there. So I'll just go to the orders and click on orders. And as you can see here, fully invoiced, it says in the status. If we click on this and we click on the invoices, we can see that this invoice is created, but it is in draft. What we want to see is the profit and loss status. First of all, just go back, go to the accounting application and go to the reporting and click on profit and loss account. Just make sure that you check the cost of goods sold before entering this. So it's 19,000 something and revenue is 21,000. What I want to show you is the cost of goods sold should automatically affect once we make the sales. So it's 19,000 something. Whatever is the amount in your records, just don't worry about that. We will consider only that it should update automatically when the sales invoice is made. So let's go back, click on the sales and here we have this as fully invoiced. Just click here. Let's click on this two invoices. Just click on this one and it's in the draft mode. Click on confirm and that's it. Nothing is being paid right here. So let's go back, click on the accounting again, click on the profit and loss account. And now you can see the profit and loss account is updated with the revenue and cost of sales. So that's what we need to make sure of. And that all works with the configuration that we did here. So if we go to the inventory, you will notice that it is set by category and all of these ledgers are set according to this pattern. So we need to make sure that even though you have configured the category, it must be linked with each inventory item. As you can see here, we have linked it to each inventory item for this category. So that's how you can convert a sales order into a sales invoice by adjusting a customer advances in that. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.